Hello, my friends. Here, the Kangaroo in Mathematics 2019 for 5 and 6. Question number 11. Here, on each of 3 pieces of paper, there are 3 digits number is written. 2 of the digits are covered. We have 2 digits covered, one here and one here. The sum of the 3 numbers is 826. What is the sum of the 2 covered digits? So we have here a digit and here another digit. We need the first number, which is up, 243. And then this number, 100, but I don't know what here. And here is 6. The last number, there are missing a digit here, and 2 and 6. This is 7. Now, the sum for all of this, as he told me, is 826. Now let's start to add. 3 plus 7, 10, plus 6, 16. And usually we carry up 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus what give me, this is not 2, this is 12. This is 12. Because 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Give me a number 2, so that means this is not 2, this is 12. Again, so 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus the missing number here must be 5. And 1 plus 2, 3, plus another 1, 4, plus the missing digit here must be also 4. So the missing 2 digits is 4 and 5 equals 9. So the correct answer is letter C, number 9. Thank you.